Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a couple of items, pieces of decor that I made for Easter. But before that I wanted to update you. You remember in another video I showed you I made this pillow with the leftover of those clothes that you buy to polish the car at Dollar Tree. And I wanted to add some bunnies in different colors. When I showed you the pillow, it was plain. So after thinking and thinking, because I didn't want to buy a piece of blue, a piece of pink, and piece of purple cloth fabric, just to make these bunnies, I realized that I had at hand these leftovers from those canvases you find at Dollar Tree that I use a frame for other DIYs. So what I did is with acrylic paint I painted the piece of the canvas that I was going to use in the colors I needed, in the 3 different colors. I looked on internet for the shape of a bunny. You can Google bunny template, bunny shape, and then I printed it in the size I needed with my computer. Then I transferred the image to the canvas after painting it with a technique of going around the borders with a pencil, and then you turn it, flip it over, and again you trace the shape on the piece of fabric, or canvas in this case. Then I adhere them to the pillow. I use this Fabric Fusion permanent fabric adhesive from Aline's, I don't know if that's the name. I got it at Joann's, but I think maybe even Walmart has it. I was at Joann's and I looked at this and I thought, oh, I know how I can use this for them. So that's how I adhere the bunnies. When you adhere them, this may happen. I don't know if you can see it. I hope you can see it here, because I spread the glue with my finger on the back, and it seems that I unwillingly touch the front. But the same happened here with the other ones, and I painted over the marks, and it kind of solved the problem. So I'm going to do the same here. I didn't do it before because I wanted you to see what may happen and don't panic as I did. And another thing, the first bunny I traced the image, I transferred the image on the front of the bunny, and you can see that even though I tried to cut and not to leave the marks of a pencil visible, I did, and I didn't notice it till I glued the bunny. So of course what you have to do is to transfer the image on the back. But well, you learn with experience. I should have thought of that before. These pom-poms are from Dollar Tree. You can find them where all the Easter stuff is, so that's something that really helped me. Okay, new stuff. For this DIY, I use a bottle that I bought at Walmart on sale for 45 cents. It was painted gold to, I think half of it was painted gold, as you can see. I didn't like that, so I painted over in white. Then I used these lovely carrots from Dollar Tree, but I didn't like how bright they were, too much orange for my taste. So what I did is, using the dry brush technique, I brushed them over with white acrylic paint, and I think they look much better. I like them better. As I will probably want to use the bottle for other projects after Easter, I decided to adhere the carrots to some, as you can see, burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I tied some twine all around with a knot here, and then I filled half of the bottle with just paper, and then I added some Spanish moss and these foam eggs. I bought them from eBay last year, but I think they are still selling them very, very inexpensive. They arrived pretty quickly, so I will leave the link below if they are still selling them. I finally added some twine on top of the bottle, and that's it. I really like how it looks, and it will allow me to use the bottle for other DIYs. And the last item for today is this. I had these egg candles, Easter candles. They are from Dollar Tree. Sorry. I bought them last year, but I saw them this year there, so you can get them. I love the colors. And I also bought these bunnies. They come in a kit for kids to paint, and they have a kind of a little hook here if you want to hang them. I removed the hook, and I added these 3 bows to them. And then I thought, how can I showcase them? And I thought, I think they would look really, really nice in between the candles. So I had a piece of foam from Dollar Tree, the white one, you see. So I placed everything on my table and on top of the foam, and then I started placing the Jenga pieces till I got the desired length, and then I marked with a pencil on the foam and cut the piece of foam. I painted the border, stained the border of the foam with that liquid shoe polish, also from Dollar Tree, and I decided to leave the Jenga pieces in their original color because I really like how they look with the Easter stuff. I stained the whole piece. If you look, you can see that the whole piece is stained, the foam, the base. I glued everything to the base, and then I started adding Spanish moss in between, and of course I adhered the whole border to pieces. I started adding them right to the foam without adding them to one another, but it was not working because the gaps in between were showing, and I didn't like it. You see, even here you can see that there is a gap. So I started gluing them to one another. At the same time I was gluing them to the base. And in just a few minutes, I may say less than an hour, I had this piece of decor, this kind of a centerpiece that I'm planning on using for my Easter table. And I spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I still have a lot of Jenga pieces around for other creations, 6, and I have a lot of moss left over, and I don't know, it's a piece of foam. So less than $7, and I have this wonderful, I think I like it a lot, centerpiece or piece of decor for a shelf or whatever you want to place it. So this is it for this video. I hope you like these DIYs. They are simple, quick and easy, as I always say. If you like them, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot to grow this channel and to go on with these creations. Ring the bell so you will get notified every time I upload a video, which is usually on Mondays. And as I always say, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the time you take. And if you comment, even more. Have a wonderful day. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.